Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Tila bata kung magmaktol itong si Rodante Marcoleta dito sa kanyang interview dahil po mga kabunyog, nagrereklamo itong si Marcoleta na hindi man lang daw inilagay ang kanyang pangalan sa dyaryo at na-mention man lang. Doon sa ginanap na rally ng mga taga-INC, dito mga kabunyog parang batang inagawa ng kandi itong taong ito sa pagrereklamo na kisyo daw hindi man lang siya na-recognize ng media. At nasayang lang ang kanyang effort at talumpati sa event na iyon. Anyway, para po sa iba pang mga sinabi nitong si Marcoleta, panoorin po natin ito.
Mama, pasensya ka na. There was a huge rally on January 13. I think you know about that rally. I am part of that rally because I was one of the speakers. I spoke for about 1 hour. January 14 or the next day, it was supposed to be reported by the broadsheets, by Philippine Inquirer. Yung slogan niya, Balanced News, Fearless News. What the hell? I was not there. I was not even mentioned. It is as if I did not exist. There were 3 reporters who wrote that report. Andun ang pangalan because I kept the particular publication. With all due respect now, Philippine Star. What was the slogan? Truth shall prevail. And there were 8 reporters who reported that particular incident. 8. So 8 plus 3, 11 reporters. Nobody saw me in the rally. Nobody heard me. Why? It is as if I did not exist. The Senate President who was not there, na nagbigay lang ng konting text message, he earned 8 paragraphs. That report. And several politicians who were there were not invited, but they happened to be there. All their names were mentioned. But the guy who spoke for at least an hour and provided the context of that rally, I was not there.
I mean, you want to, no?
How do you call this? This is the media in this country. I meant it because I said, Mr. Chair, I want you to invite these 2 broadsheets.
Oh, okay. So you made a motion to invite Star and Inquirer.
It was not a motion. I requested. Kasi hindi raw ako pwedeng mag-motion because I am not even a part. Hindi raw ako member. Pati yung tingnan mo, I moved to cite in contempt yung isang vlogger na pinagsabi, nag-vlog siya. Sabi ko, may I ask you, sir, meron kang vlog dito, ikaw pala ay abogado, at sinasabi mo ngayon, you're even teaching in the Ateneo Law School. Ito po yung vlog mo. Huwag kayong maniwala sa pakulo at panlilin lang ni Marcoleta. Will you please tell me, sir, your basis ng aking panlilin lang? He wasn't able to say any. Ikaw ka ako ang manlilin lang. Yung iba kaya hindi ako nagagalit. There are some basis, maring nagkamali sa pag-interpret. Pinapatawad ko siya doon. Like yung isa, nakita niya yung billboard namin, dalawa ni Pastor Kibuloy. Napagkamalan niyang akong gumawa, ma'am. Ano sabi niya sa vlog niya? Tingnan mo kanya yung Marcoleta, walang kahihiyan yung tao na kinahihiya na siya ng lahat ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Gusto na siyang ipatiwalan. Akalain mong gagawa siyang gano'n, isasama niya yung taong yan na ganito't ganyan. Hindi man lang niya na-research eh. Hindi man ako gumawa nun eh. Nabigla nga ako eh.
I-clarify ko lang, we don't willfully censor anyone sa dyaryo namin. Kung nandun siya sa story, pagsasama-samahin yan eh. Yung lahat ng reporter na yun, pagsasama-samahin lahat ng story nila, ng isang editor.
Wala ma'am. January 14 talagang inisa-isa ko lahat, pati pahe. Baka sa advertisement, baka biglang merong RTM man lang.
Baka hindi siya, kasi ang dami-daming in-interview din, bababayan ng gano'n eh, bababayan. Kung ano yung... ganun talaga yung ano.
Tama, malimbawa sinabi niya, there was a politician there who spoke, but we don't know his name. Maybe that was probably a refer. Wala eh.
Yes. I understand your concern. Pero sir, also something about useful processes.
Yes.
Hindi po lahat ng sa isang rally, hindi lahat ng nagsalita ay ililista.
Oo, hindi namin maano.
For example, the best example sir, pag may protesta ang kaliwa, for example, kahit tatlong oras nagsasalita
Hindi namin yun mailalabas lahat.
Hindi binabanggit ang pangalan. It happens, sir. In the end,
It happens a lot, actually.
Reporter will decide for
Yung
himself.
rally namin, 4 lang kaming nagsalita. Yung 3, these are members of the hierarchy. Na-mention ang pangalan.
No, yun.
So parang yung sinasabi niyo po na left out kayo.
Ako ang nagsalita ng pinakamahaba na 1 hour and I provided the context. Kasi ako lang ang pwedeng magsalita noon, hindi sila. Ako lang. Ma'am, kahit na ba isang sentence lang?
It doesn't necessarily mean that they did not see you or mind you. It's just that perhaps, I can't speak for the reporters because I was not there. But it's also possible that the reporters in the end thought na ito yung kailangan ko ilagay.
Oh my God. Ed, ang lalaki ng billboard na yan. And this rally reverberated in the entire country because there were 13 other areas. The first is in Luneta. There are other 12 areas
Kaya nga.
in Mindanao. Andun ako lahat.
Okay.
Tapos hindi man lang ako na... Why would you not mention me, madam? Why so?
Hindi ko po alam yun.
Hindi, yun ang inaano. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, kasi maganda yung tanong ni Ma'am Sylvie. Hindi ka ba atras kasi... So how can you tell this? How do you describe what's happening in this country?
So you don't believe in the survey?
Not anymore.
You think po ay naaapektuhan yung pulso ng masa sa pag mga lumalabas na survey? Nakakaapekto po yun?
Yun ang aking ikinalulungkot at ikinatatakot. It could be a mind-setting strategy. Kasi, pero pag nagano kayo ng online ngayon, tingnan nyo yung mga ng online na bakit ako'y palagi number 1 sa online naman. I'm not saying na totoo rin yun, but tingnan naman ninyo, wala ako doon.
Pero pasok kayo sa online.
Pagkatapos sa online, number 1 ako.
I just have to take note of this particular point kasi we cannot just say na palibasa hindi po lumabas yung pangalan niya doon sa dyaryo. Hindi ibig sabihin po na kayo'y single out.
What does that mean?
Hindi po, that does not mean that we're singled out.
Hindi po kami nagsisingle
Or
out
taken
na kahit
out.
sino.
I think that's also unfair
Yes.
to talk to reporters and editors that way po. I'm sorry, but...
And I am talking about 8 reporters.
Yes, sir.
Nag-isa yung isip nila na hindi nila ako nakita. I spoke for at least an hour. Escudero was not there. At nag-send lang siya ng text message.
Reaction
He
na
earned 8 pages of that report. I don't know how we justify that.
Sir,
I'm not saying na, well, I guess baka saying baka...
Hindi po kami nagsisingle.
Yan mga kabunyog, narinig po natin itong mga sinabi ni Marcoleta dito sa kanyang interview. Grabe mga kabunyog, parang bata talaga itong taong ito. Para lang hindi na-mention ng media, magtatampo na? Ganito bang klaseng tao ang gusto ninyong eluluklok sa Senado? Balat sibuyas, hindi lang na-mention ay nagmamaktol na, hindi dapat ganyan ang ugali ng isang senador. Anyway, dito na lang po ang aking topic, mabuhay po tayo mga kabunyog.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.